Okay, so I'm going to be using press-on nail as my nail form, and I already told you why I'm using that. So you want to get your clear, Polygel. It's crazy because I've actually seen people warm these up a little bit, just because the gel is like a little hard at first, but you want to get the clear. Okay. Get your brush. It's going to be a little bit hard to see because it is clear. Guys, don't worry about all the different types of nails I have on my fingers. I just have that because I like to show you guys a video of certain techniques. Okay. So don't use too much solution or alcohol, whatever you're using, because you don't want to cause any lifting. If you see any air bubbles, try to smooth those out. Try your best. It is a little bit hard, but you know, you can do it. All right. I'm going to grab the flowers. I kind of want to do blue. I'm feeling blue. These were ordered from Amazon. You want to use a tool to pick it up. They are dried out flowers, so they break super easily. Okay. I like to cut mine in half a little bit, so oops. Well, let's put that on there. I like to cut mine in half just because it's really large. I can use it to, I can spread it around the nail. Okay. So we got a little piece on there. Alright, so these aren't that hard to place. It's just being careful because they are super fragile. That's the annoying part. So make sure if you do order them, order enough because you are going to break some. Alright, guys. Okay. So if you want to do more, a little bit more in there, you can, but you want to turn it over to see how it's going to look on the outside. Oops. You want to turn it over to see how it's actually going to look on the other side. And I think that's really cute. Okay, so I think that's really cute. So I am going to cure that for, I would say like 15 seconds, just so it can get hard. Alright guys, so now that you have that, you want to get some more clear because this is when you're going to attach it to your nail. Okay, so get your solution, your brush, and mold that on there. I always felt that the clear was super easy to maneuver. Like a lot easier than any other color. I don't know why, but it is. Not too much solution because you do not want to cause any lifting. Make it thin at the cuticle. Oh, I like this blue a lot. Okay. So now that you have that, now we're going to prepare my nail to put it on. So we're going to use dehydrator. Oh, actually we're going to file down my nail bed. Guys, don't mind my nails. They are older, so they look a mess, but we're going to use dehydrator. And then nail primer, just to give it that super strong hold. Okay. Then we're going to use a base coat that comes with the kit. Now we're going to apply that now, but before we apply that now, you want to cure your base coat just a tiny bit and then apply a second layer. So for like 10 seconds, go ahead and cure. Okay. Now let's apply a small, thin layer. Get any excess around there. Okay. Okay. So just press that down, slide it down to the cuticle. Don't push too much because you don't want it to ooze out. But that looks perfect fit. And now I am going to cure this for 2 minutes. So I just removed the press-on nail and I'm going to file it down. I may even cut it because it's super skinny at the top. That just means that I didn't put enough around the edges. Is it blurry? Okay, when I have a clear nail, I try to make the application process the best because I don't want to file down there. I know you can make it shiny again, but filing down there really kind of messes up that clear pattern for me. So if you know what I mean. I'm trying to explain the best way I know how, but not really doing a great job. Okay, so there you have it. I put a little bit of cuticle oil on there just to not make my cuticle so dry. But there you have it. Just trying to make sure this is clear. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit of blue glitter before I do the top coat. I feel like it'll give it a nice shimmer. Little bit of shimmer on that nail. Okay. And now, if you see the way that came out, now I'm going to put top coat on there just to really lock that in. Okay guys, so there is the nail. Like, I really like that. Trying to show you as best as I can. That's really cute. Alright. Sorry, it's awkward. But that is the nail. That is how you get the flowers inside of the Polygel. Okay, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Bye.